Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the economic calendar in front of us, and as you can see that today we do not have any such high impact news that will bring some craziness to the market. We have got existing home sales after 9 hours, but the volatility will last to single candle only. Okay, so we do not have any high impact news. So let's jump to the chart of DXY, and yes, the correction is still continuing on the chart of DXY, and DXY is standing at 106.51. okay, now things may sound a little bit tricky here. Please try to concentrate on the video. First of all, okay, you can see that we have a green line in the middle of the chart, and that was the previous support for our market. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that we had a support around this 106.7080 level. So market broke the support yesterday. Okay, market broke the support yesterday, and when market tried to recover again, the same level did not allow the market to go up. So the previous support became the resistance here. If you are familiar with the concept of support resistance, then you can understand it very well. So previous support is right now acting as resistance right now. Okay, and as you can see, the market, okay, right now, if we just focus on the present trend of DXY, then you can see that DXY is following a pattern like this. It's kind of a sell on rise market. Okay, so there is a possibility that the next support of DXY, which is 106.20, okay, may break also. So there's a possibility that at one point of time, when there will be volatility in the market, especially during the European session and US session, market will break the next support of 106.20 and DXY may go down further. So in case DXY shows some selling pressure again, 106.20 will be very important. So if we find that market is forming big red candle like this, then it gives us the confirmation that yes, right now sellers are dominating the market of DXY. But keep in mind, okay, this is still not a trend reversal. We can still see a correction only. Okay, so please be careful. Then I think that in case the correction continues, then the only thing that that has the capacity to reverse DXY will be the 200 moving average, the red line here. Okay, so please be careful whatever I have discussed just now, and please keep your one eye on DXY if you trade on any USD pair, not only Euro USD, any USD pair. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro dollar. And as you can see that for the last 20 hours, Euro USD is flat here. Okay, Euro USD is not showing much signs here. But keep in mind, once dollar breaks the support or once dollar shows selling pressure again, Euro USD will be volatile, or Euro USD will be giving us buy signal again. And if you really want to take a buy position on Euro USD, okay, then you can take a buy position, but get an additional confirmation from the chart of DXY. Personally, I will avoid Euro USD today, because right now, as you can see that I have drawn two lines here. Market is standing here. This is the current market price, and we have a resistance here from the Fibonacci 50%, and the blue line here 1.03, sorry, 1.0360 to 1.0370. This is an important level. This is a resistance from the weekly chart. I think that if DXY continues the selling, then obviously market Euro USD will break the line in the middle, that is 1.0288, and will start going higher as well. So I think that there will be a pause on the chart of Euro USD around this level only, where we have a resistance from the weekly chart, and previously we have also seen this level as acting as support also. So here previous support acting as resistance, and this is also a weekly level. So this is a very strong level, but I'm not sure about this level. So personally, I will avoid trading on Euro USD today because there are some better options on the market. Okay, then why should I be risking my hard-earned money? Okay, so on a chart that I'm confused. So I'll also request you the same. So please follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis, my opinion. I can be wrong as well. So if you want to follow my advice, then please follow proper risk management and calculate your positions accordingly. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye bye, take care.